So for this look, I'm going to go in with this Sultry palette because it's just a good palette and I like it. So I'm going to use it. So first off, we're going to take the color Birch. And that is just going to go in our crease. This is going to be actually like a pretty simple eye look. I just want like a really nice like smoky wing, you know? You know? And the tape is going to make it just easier in life for all of us. Because I know that there's probably somebody out there who's going to be rushing you, or you're going to be running late and it'll be your own fault. But I've been there, so we're just going to make this an easy look that is also glam. And I'm going in with Twig, which is a little bit more of like an ashier brown. Just because we're going to add black and I don't want it to be like super warm toned and then black, you know? Because black is cool. Very cool. Then I'm going to take a Dystopian, which is a really dark brown. And we're going to start smoking out with that first before we go in with the black. And I'm kind of going all the way in with it also. So just on the lid and just close to the lash line. So not like super high up, but you definitely want it on the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color Noir, and we're going to start smoking out with that. So first I'm just going to pack it on with like a more stiffer brush. This is the brush that actually came with the palette. So I'm just going to like pack it on. And really just same thing, putting it on the lid but trying to keep it pretty tight to the lash line also. And then just gonna smoke that out with the other end of that same brush. And then just fill in any gaps that you see. Oh, we didn't even do the brown on the other side yet. Whoops the daisy. My eyes are so watery today and I have no idea why. So if my eyes start just crying, that is why. I'm not sad. I'm just watery. Same thing, just pack it. And then buff it. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of that birch color that we used in the crease originally and just kind of buff along. Now I'm going to take away the tape and hope that it doesn't look crazy. This probably is not good for your under eye skin, but whatever. So now I'm going to take the color Fresh and just pop that under the brow bone. Alright, so now that I have the black mostly done, now I'm just going to add some mascara and lashes and I will be right back. I just use the Kiss number 11 ones. Those are just some of my favorites. They're just very wispy. So now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to be using the FARSALI Skin Tune Blur Primer. I've really been loving this. And I'm finally back to my natural skin color, which doesn't happen too often, but of course I'm doing it on the day that I'm wearing like the most black, but whatever. So next for foundation, I'm going to be using the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I like this. I don't necessarily feel that it's worth the money. I feel like it's very similar to like L'Oreal True Match or something like that, but it is like a really nice lightweight finish. So I'm just going to apply that. So as you can see, it looks nice. It's definitely not full coverage though, but it does look nice. It's not my favorite foundation, but it matches me when I don't have any self-tan going on. This is shade 6.5. Now we're going to go in with concealer, and this is the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I'm using the shade Sugar Biscuit, and I have been eating a lot of sugar biscuits lately, so yeah, I just freaking got that all in my eyeball. That's nice. So I'm just going to apply some of this. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, I like it, but it is like a thicker consistency, and I don't know. Like, I like it because it provides good coverage, but I'm not really sold on the applicator. So now I'm going to be going in with this new Velvet Microfiber Sponge. Got it in the mail the other day. I figured we would try it out. Oh. I don't think I like how this is. It feels like I'm like using like a stuffed animal on my face. I mean, I guess it blends nicely, but I don't like how it feels. Like, it feels like weird. I don't know. No, I don't like that. I've already decided. Verdict, don't like it. It's just weird feeling. I don't know how to describe it. Maybe I just have to get used to it. But it feels like it's like tugging at my skin, and I did wet it, so I don't know. I feel like it's just like kind of sticking. Maybe if I use this side, I don't know. I don't think I like that. It feels weird. So then I'm going to be going in with this powder from ILIA. It is the Fade Into You Soft Focus Setting Powder. I'm so incredibly obsessed with this. It's just like a white powder, but it is the most finest powder ever, and it makes your skin look so effing good. So that's what we're using today. So first I'm going to set my under eye. And not like necessarily baking, but just putting like a little bit extra so when I do my under eye, it's not gonna stick. But I just love the way this powder makes my skin look. It just looks airbrushed. It doesn't look powdery. It's just so good. So now I'm gonna go into the under eye and go in with that Noir and press it right underneath my lashes, trying to keep it pretty tight because I don't want black, you know, in my under eye wrinkles, you know. All right, and then I am going to lightly, ever so lightly, just take a little bit of Birch on a little pencil brush and then just kind of blend right underneath that. But don't like blend it downward because you don't want the black all over your cheeks. Right, then we're gonna add more black because we're just gothic today, I guess. And I'm just gonna pop that on my waterline. And you can do your upper waterline too. Then I want to add some glitter because it's New Year's Eve and we need a little bit of glitter. I'm going to go in with one of these glitter liners. These are both from Urban Decay. They're the heavy metal ones. NYX has really good crystal liquid liners also if you are looking for a drugstore option. But this is the color AC/DC, and then this is Glam Rock. So I think I might do AC/DC so we can just be partying all night long. And then what you want to do with this is just put it on like your inner, like the inner lower lash line. And this is definitely going to be more comfortable to wear versus like a actual loose glitter, because then that will feel crusty and weird. Like, how pretty is that? Like, just a little bit. As 50 Cent would say. Just a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them off, pull them down just a little bit. Put some glittery liner on your lower lash just a little bit. Do we want to bring it around town? I don't know if I want to bring it around town. Should we? I don't know if I want to. Let's try it. All right, now I'm just gonna take a little bit of Cyborg from the palette and just press that on the inner corner and kind of like set it. And I think I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. Just in the very inner corner. Okay. I need to probably stop with the glitter because I just keep adding more, but it's just so pretty. Isn't it? Isn't it? Dude, I'm obsessed. I just keep bringing it farther. Whatever though. Glitter. I'm just gonna go in and add some mascara. So I'm just cleaning up that powder. Now we need to do something to our face because we look a little bit dead and scary. So I'm going to go in with bronzer. This is Saddle from Anastasia. No, Anastasia. Sorry. I'm trying. I'm working on it. New Year's resolution. No, that's not going to be it. Don't hold me to it. I just really like a nice contoured forehead. So we're doing it. And a nice sculpted cheek. Christmas cookies be gone. All those mashed potatoes get away from my chin. I'm gonna go in with Rosé from Mercier for my blush. Add a little bit of pink. Then for highlight, I wanted to try out this new palette from Mercier. It's the Magic Hour face palette. So it just looks like this, super pretty. I'm gonna go in with this pinky color. Did I point to the pinky color? Yes, pinky. Pinky and the brain. I wouldn't say it's like blinding, but it's pretty. Subtle, not chalky or chunky, so that's good. That is good. So then for my lips, I'm going to line with a brown liner. This is HYERES from NARS. And I just love this. It just makes your lips look big because it kind of like contours them in the process and just like creates that shadow. And then the lip color, I feel like I might have used this last year in my New Year's makeup tutorial, but I just feel like it's really great with a smoky, sparkly eye. So this is Smashbox Fair Game. So it's a very matte nude color. We have a little bit of this Revlon Snow Pink. I don't know if it's going to ruin my life if I put it on. Is it ruining it? Then we're gonna spray it with some all-nighter, because we're gonna party all night. Or we might just be in our pajamas. We don't know yet. We don't know. Okay, so I just popped in some earrings and took my hair down, but this is the final look. I really like how it turned out, kind of more of like a glam rock edgy vibe, which I think is really fun. You don't even have to wear like full-on sequins or sparkles with this look. You could just put this on your eyes, pop in a fun earring. These are from Nordstrom, by the way. And yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this New Year's Eve look. I know that it's a little bit bold and dramatic, but I wanted to do something a little bit out of my comfort zone. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching all year round. I'm always at a loss for words at the end of the year because it's just another year that you guys have supported me so much, and I'm not going to cry because this black and this glitter, actually that could be a cool look too, like black glitter tears. Anyways, that's not what I'm going for. It's too early in the day for me to start crying. So anyways, thank you guys so much for all of your ongoing non-stop love and support. I love you guys so much, and Happy New Year. See you next year.